Ryan, you all are on a tear over there. You've got Force Design 2028 recently published, a lot of funding to implement those capabilities. Give us a top line as to what you're spending your time on these days.
Thanks, Luke. I appreciate the opportunity to be here today and join the other panelists. As you mentioned, I'll frame this around Force Design 28. So this is our Commandant's direction for modernizing the Coast Guard after decades of underinvestment. Our Force Design is designed around four different tables. Those are people, organization, acquisition, and technology. And it's backed by a historic investment of over $25 billion, which is a huge sum for the Coast Guard. So one of the most important shifts that we're seeing in Force Design is that leadership and technology, those roles exist to enable operational performance, not just to check boxes and reduce risk in that way. The Coast Guard's growing by over 15,000 military members. So that's about a 30% increase at where we're at today. This enables a more distributed operations and kind of novel ways to execute our mission. And then cybersecurity, how we manage our identity, our access, our data, and that technology must support this growing force that we have. So
please go ahead.
Yes. So from the C5I perspective, our mission here is to deliver secure, resilient, mission-aligned technology. And one of those core focuses for the Coast Guard, given how we operate, is in the denied, degraded, intermittent, and limited environment. And that's the last time I'll say that out all in one word, or DDIL. So that's not an edge case for us. That's where we operate in the middle of the ocean in austere environments. So today, our fleet, our shore, our air are well connected through satellite, cellular, things like that, SD-WAN, but just that connectivity alone isn't the objective. It's to keep our mission going no matter what. We recently deployed P-LEO throughout the entire fleet. It's been a major improvement, but we have to assume that that's not going to be there. And I'll give you one example of a technology that we recently implemented that also helps us in that DDIL environment. It's something we call SWAN, or a Secure Wireless Area Network. So this is a private 5G solution that's aligned with Department of War guidance, providing connectivity to our cutters out in the middle of where they operate. And some of the things that it does for us, it gives our operators, like our boarding teams, the ability to have body-worn cameras and have the commanding officer see exactly what's going on off the cutter, as well as other capabilities like biometrics and things that our operators need. So that's just a few things. There's a lot more that I can get into.
Of course, and we'll